Tina here. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining me. Today I get to share with you a project for Gerda Steiner Design, and we are going to be using the On the Table stamp set. Now I've used this stamp set before, and I'll link that video at the end. It was a super cute card. But for today, I thought it'd be fun to create a Christmas card using the little doggy, since there is a Santa hat in there in the stamp set. There is also milk and cookies, which go perfect with the Santa hat. But we're just going to use the little dog and the Santa hat. So I'm stamping them both with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on some Nina 80-pound cardstock. And then we are going to do some coloring. I'm going to zoom in and play a little bit of music while I color. I'll be using my Copic markers. And when I'm done coloring, I will get you back. Okay, coloring is all done. Now I'm going to take my scissors and fussy cut out my little Santa cap and also my little puppy here. He's so cute. I love how he just peeking. You could put him anywhere. On the table, that's the name of the stamp set, but you could put him in a window, off to the side, on top of anything really, on a Christmas tree. He's so cute. I just popped up the hat and adhered it to my puppy, and then I added extra foam adhesive behind him so he's ready to go. Now we're going to do a little bit of die cutting using some colored cardstock. We're going to cut out 2 holly leaves with green cardstock, some berries with red, and then I have an H and an O die. For my sentiment, I wanted to use the word ho ho ho, so we're going to cut those out with black cardstock 3 times. While I was at it, I did cut out my panel, which is 4 inches by 5 1/4, and also this little photo frame here. I found this pattern paper in my Christmas paper stash, and you know what? I'm not sure what company it's from, but it has Merry Christmas sentiments on it, and it was black and white, and I thought it went really well with my background. So we're going to go ahead and take a piece of that, mat that behind our frame, and then adhere that directly to our panel, and then we'll lift up our photo frame, and then we'll flip that over, and we're going to add foam adhesive behind our photo frame. And I'm sorry about my voice, it's a little bit scratchy. I'm afraid I'm coming down with a little bit of a bug. Usually this time of year it gets me, but I'm just adding my photo frame so we have a little bit of dimension there. Now we're going to take we're not going to just glue down our ho 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 just yet, but I am going to play around with the placement. I have the holly berries and the leaves, and I wasn't sure where to put them. I didn't want them to cover up my ho ho ho. So I'm thinking this looks great. It's kind of at a little bit of a diagonal. I'm going to go ahead and remove the release paper off of my little doggy here, and he's going to go on the inside of the window. As I got ready to adhere him, I thought we don't have any sparkle, and I thought for Christmas we need a little sparkle, and I think my little buddy there agrees. He's checking out the glue, I suppose. But I decided to add some chunky glitter to the Santa hat, to the little pom-pom, and then also the white area of the hat, just for extra sparkle. And I was happy with the outcome. I love doing that to Santa hats. Okay, he's adhered to the inside of our window frame. Now we're going to go ahead and glue down our holly leaves. We're going to put them in that little corner there. We'll add one and then we'll add the other one. I did end up adding a little bit of foam adhesive behind the end of that one. And then we're going to add our berries, kind of tucking it underneath. I went ahead and glued down my ho ho ho, and I think that looks really fun. I'm going to flip over my panel and we're going to adhere that to an A2 size card base, which is standard 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. And then after we get this done, I thought about adding baker's twine, black and white baker's twine, but just decided I think this looks clean and simple, but I really like the outcome. And then that's my project for today, guys, using the Gerda Steiner Designs on the table stamp set. Again, I'll leave the other video with the stamp set at the end if you want to check it out. But thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you a lovely day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.